Hi everybody, my name is Harry Zhang, and in this video I will discuss whether export is good or bad to us. So the video is divided into 4 parts. The first part is what export is. The second one is the benefits, the third one is their risk, and the fourth one is how to minimize them. Okay, let's move on to the first part. What is export on Earth? Usually there are recreational activities perceived as involving a high degree of risks or dangers. They're really welcome nowadays because they're combined with the nature and the flex. Exports are so popular because they have charms which other alternative ways cannot own. Playing extreme sports can bring athletes achievements, bring society economic profits, and can develop people's virtues. Okay, I will explain this point further. So the first one is achievement. Like the right picture showing is Jacques Mayo. He's a diving player. He took part in diving competition since he was only 12 years old. He won the medal prizes and fell in love with the sport. Later, he harvested an amazing friendship with the dolphin and a romantic love with his wife. And the below picture is Todd Potter. He's a model rider, and he said he won totally 12 gold medals during his career life, and he really treasured this honor because they are not easy to get. And he believes that medals are overcoming with the risks. And I want to say something about the virtues. In other words, people can find their own value in specific environments and build up their own confidence, braveness, and something like love. Take Chris Sharma, a rock climber, as example. Chris introduced his passion and love for rock climbing. He says, "I don't feel like I need to have grades or anything. We try to respect the rock now. We treat it with a lot of love." That means he values the rock climbing and puts his whole heart into them. That's also why he could get 1999's game gold medal and 2001 World Cup champions in 2001. But every coin has two sides. Exports are no exception. So there are a set of numbers. According to UPSA, in 2015, there are 3.5 million skydiving jumps in America. Among them, there are 21 deaths. In the world, there's 0.6 deaths per 100,000 jumps. That's a really high rate. So normally, the risk of exports are divided into 2 parts: body and mental health, which means direct harm to bodies and brains. And sometimes the harm are hidden and will bring heavy damage after the players if they cannot receive the diagnosis on time. So I'd like to say something about the body and mental health harm. So there's 3 names on the PowerPoint. The first one is Caleb Murray. He's a 25-year-old Texan, failed to land successfully when he did a flip with snowmobile. While snowboarder Kevin Press suffered a heavy brain injury during his training. The last one is Yoning Wu. He's a climber, make a mistake, and never came up again. Horrible things. Okay, so, however, with the development of modern technology and medical care, the injuries caused by extreme sports can be minimized. In other words, if athletes take safety precautions such as wearing helmets or safety rope before they start, and official institutions update and perfect the systems, the risk will reduce a lot. So look at this. Andy Petticanen, he's a skydiving jump, and he prepares for a whole 1 year for one jump. That's a long time, right? So that's it. This is a reference, please, and thanks for everyone here and listening. Really appreciate.